Here is a early, maybe late 1980s encon ceiling fan here in the back bedroom of my grandparents' house with the 2006 Amana. Show you the logo. This is energy conservant encon. Show the light. I think this video might be better with the light, but let's go ahead and start it up on the high speed. Hasn't ran in a while. Hasn't ran since the last time I've been here, which was Thanksgiving. Which I did film it too, but I never uploaded it, so I'm gonna try to upload it. So I'm gonna try to upload this video. It's actually running quieter than before. I heard a startup sound too, which I'll get in a little bit after we run through all the speeds. This, unlike 1970 Kenmore, still runs. Just gonna open the blinds here just in case anything passes while I'm filming this, so you can get it on camera. Okay. Bring it down to medium. Turn off the light. Sure, you're running without the light. And the light on. Walk around. Go ahead and do a walk around on it. It's not the prettiest looking thing, but it's definitely the most vintage thing in the house, besides if it was still in my grandparents' bedroom, I would have filmed it. But 1970s Kenmore, but that's long gone. Replaced by the GE 5050 BTU from 2017, which I'll do an update video on it this upcoming cooling season. So upcoming spring, hopefully. Bring down the low. I'll let you listen to the motor if you can hear it. Besides the background noise, but okay. Let's go ahead and do a startup noise. Actually, you know what? We'll watch it spin down from low first. Then we'll do a startup noise. Then watch it run for a little bit. I'd say this fan's probably from the early, maybe the late 1990s. Yeah, early, late 1980s. Not 90s. If this fan was from the 90s, it would probably be an Encon Princess or something like that. But I've actually seen one of those. Encon Princess before. I've seen one of them getting thrown out with 2 other Friedrich Choir Masters. Okay. I thought something was passing. There's train tracks over there. If you weren't into the videos. Let's get a startup sound. Turn the light off for this. Don't know if y'all hear that. Turn the light on. I don't know if y'all heard that startup noise, but if you did, great. But this fan standing right under it, this is a good air mover. Like, for real. This fan's a really good air mover for a 4-blade. Let's go ahead and watch it run without the light for a little bit on high speed, which is the speed I run it on the most. It's actually running a lot smoother from the past times I've been here. So I don't know if it did get serviced. I doubt it. But the bearings are going bad on it. Apparently not. It's running smoother than ever. It's running like brand new. Ever since it's quiet. I mean, yeah, you could hear the motor humming, but it definitely was louder the last time I played with it. Now, every time I come here, I do play with this fan because it entertains me. Alright. Let's watch it spin down from high speed. Then we'll call it. Then we'll call the video. It's a decently long spin down time. Spun down pretty damn fast too. Maybe the bearings do need to be oiled, but it's definitely ran smoother than before. Definitely that was definitely the smoothest this thing's ran in quite a while. Alright. So there it is. Early to late 1980s encon hugger ceiling fan, or encon energy conservant ceiling fan, in two-tone finish. See up there, it's kind of like grayish gold up there. It's the same color as what's on the blades right there. So it's kind of a two-tone gold and black finish on it. Very nice. Turn the light off. See it a little better. Not really, but this is the switch for it. So there you go. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.